Good morning students. Today we will discuss how to connect switches in series connection and what is its disadvantage and advantages. For this we require two bulbs, ordinary bulb, pendant holder. I have already connected wires, two switches, the two contact points. Already I have connected wire in one contact point. Take an insulation tape, tester, cutter, screwdriver, wire stripper. Now let us study the circuit. See, this B1 is on B1, connected the B1 bulb is connected with the holder. Now this one B2 connected with the holder. The B1 holder's contact point is this one, contact points A and B. We'll test this one. Whenever you will test any electric items, you test under your guidance of your parents. Always take a wooden table, wear rubber shoe and take proper precautions and use insulated tools. Now see, this is working. Now I test this one. This one B2. This is also okay. We can see the contact points here also. See, these two are contact points. Now I connect one end. You see this one A and this one B. B will connect with the C. So I will connect with the C. The first switch is S1. This one connected. Now again I will test whether working or not. See, I am testing this one. I will put a cellular insulation tape here for safety. So here we'll see this is working. This is on. Now I will make it off. See student, this one off, on. So this is working. Now I will connect another one, that is EF. The EF, the F will connect with the G. This point is G. I'll cover this one with a black tape. Initially you have to learn like this, then we can fix on a switchboard. I'll cover this one for temporarily. Now let's test whether our connection is correct or not. We'll test this one also. So this is on. See, this one on. Now I will connect the both bulb in series connection. First, now I cover the joining side. Now let us see is it working or not. This one A and this one H side. Now this one off. Now say on. See, even though I have switched off S1, so both are off. Now see, that means this one A to this one B, connection B to C, C to D, D gone to E, E to F, F to G. So A and H you have to insert. See. Thank you.